So in this workshop, we're going to spend an entire day, first of all, understanding why domain-driven design is interesting. We'll go through some domain-driven design 101, understand strategic design, bounded contexts, and context mapping, and how the ubiquitous language plays into those design areas. And then we'll also look at event storming, which is a really easy to learn low-tech modeling technique that you can use with a group of people, preferably a group of subject matter experts from the business as well as engineers and technologists that are going to be building the software. And so we will model an example domain, which happens to be a pizza shop, and all of the events that can occur throughout the life cycle of an order for pizza delivery. And then once we've gotten to that point, we'll start translating the model into user stories, into tests to do test-driven development, ultimately into code constructs, and we'll have an opportunity to do about 7 or so programming labs that will take us from our model to a well-modularized monolithic deployment of our software, and then you'll have kind of the instruction that you need to take that design and carry it into microservices as sort of a takeaway homework exercise. It's a very busy day. We cover a lot of material, but I think you'll find it valuable.